guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I want to show you how I make my vegetable soup. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have my crayfish and pepper. It's blended already. So I have my tilapia fish, I have my red oil, I have my beef, this is my onion, baby spinach and green leaves. So this is all I'm going to be using on this video. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. If you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. And we are going to add 2 knorr cubes on this recipe. So let's begin the cooking. So now I will add my meat inside my pot. I'll add onion, knorr cube, I'll add salt, so right now I've added water into my pot. Now I will add my fish. So let it cook for about 5 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, I'm going to remove the fish. So I'm still going to cover it for about 10 minutes for the meat to really cook well. So guys, I'm going to check how the meat is cooking. As you can see, the water has dried off. So right now I'm going to add my oil. So I will add my baby spinach. So I'll mix it together. So I'll add my onion, pepper and crayfish. So mix all. It's time to add my green vegetable. So I will add oil. You add your knorr cube. So I'm going to cover it for about 3 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, after 3 minutes, so mix everything together. I'm going to add salt. So add your fish. So it needs to be gently so that the fish will not break off. So guys, this is how my vegetable soup came out. It tastes very delicious. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video to help someone. If you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Also subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.